Hello, Techies and Teslas. On today's Junior Edition...
Whoa. It's called Junior Edition, not regular Techies and Teslas. Hit the road, Jack.
Whatever.
Come on. Hit it.
Hello, Techies and Teslas. On today's Junior Edition...
So, now that he's gone, today on Techies and Teslas Junior Edition, we are going to be unboxing slimes that we bought from Amazon. And I looked at the rating, and they're about 4-star ratings, so we should be good to go. So, oh yeah, be careful with these, because it's a knife. You don't want to play with knives, kids. Okay, so. Ooh, okay, so I only ordered 2 slimes. I ordered. Okay, so I ordered this chocolate fluffy slime sent by Keyman. I ordered this cherry fluffy slime also. So let's get to unboxing. So I think I'm gonna go with the chocolate one first, just because chocolate has a very good scent to it. And yeah. So the packaging is really nice. They have a little logo. It's really nice. So let's get to poking with it. Okay, they come with the charm. Okay, so it comes with a little Starbucks charm, which is really cute. Because I'm pretty sure this is the latte one I ordered. The chocolate latte. So let's put, if I can get it open. I'm just gonna rip it. I really don't care. Rip! Okay, so I'm just gonna pour the coffee grains in first. So like, I don't know what these are made of, but they look like little coffee grains, which is pretty cute. And now the Starbucks charm. So, it looks very nice it's very nice. I'm going to take it out just to play with it. So this is how it looks. It's a really nice, smooth consistency. It feels a little rubbery to me though, but I don't know if it's just because it's cold or not, but it's really hard to stretch. Like, it's really hard, and I don't think it should be that hard to stretch. So I'm just gonna keep playing with it. Maybe it'll get better. I don't know, but it's really hard to stretch. Like, it's kind of like putty, but it like rips, and I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Poking it feels nice. It's kind of stretchy, but if you stretch it too fast, it will rip. It's kind of hard to poke. Like, stretching it rips. I don't know why it does that. Maybe it's cold or something, but it's really hard. So I would maybe give this one like a 3-star, just because it did come with the charm, like it said. It's chocolate. It doesn't have a scent to it. It says it has fluffy slime chocolate scent to it, but it doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like a regular slime. Like I said, I would give this one a 3-star because it comes with the charm, but it doesn't have the scent, and it's not as fluffy as I thought it would be. Because in the thumbnail, it was really stretchy. They could like swirl it, but this one kind of has a rubbery consistency to it. So now I'm gonna hopefully open the cherry one, and hopefully it's not the same, because this one doesn't really, like, it's really rubbery. It's hard to pull, it rips, and just, I would give it a 3-star for this one. So yeah. But now on to the cherry one. So this is also Fluffy Slime by Keyman. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. And it doesn't say this one's scented, which is okay. So let's get it open. And this one is not, I don't think this one has charms. But when I first touched this is very cool. Oh, it does have a charm. Okay, that's nice. I had a little cherry charm, which is really cute. So let's move this out of the way. So it looks really nice. It's better than the chocolate one, just I think it's better. And I like the cherry charm a lot. It's really cute. It goes with the kind of theme of cherry. This one's a little bit easier to stretch, but I would it's still like rubber. Oh, it does smell like cherry, but it doesn't say set on it, which is weird. I don't know if you call this fluffy slime. It's kind of mixed between fluffy slime and putty, because it's hard to stretch, and poking it is like kind of hard, and it kind of just is like one, and you can't really spread it, and if you stretch it, it rips, which I don't think slime should rip unless, you know, it's supposed to. But it doesn't, it kind of just floats back up. See, if you poke it, it just comes back up. But I don't know what to say about this one. I mean, it's nice, it has a good scent to it, but it's just really rubbery. I don't think I'm happy. I think I'm gonna give this one a 2-star. Because it's rubbery like the other one. It can't stretch. When you poke it, it just comes back up. But the good things about it are, it smells good. It's a little bit easier to poke than the other one. But yeah, my initial thought about this one is could be better because it rips, and the thumbnail, again, it was really smooth. They could like spread it on the table, but in this one you can't spread it. As you can see, like my fingers are getting red from pushing so hard on the slime. I don't think that should happen. But I'm going to try to play with it in the container, maybe see if that's going to help anything. I don't think it will. But if I show you guys the slime, it's really hard. Like, it's tough. Super duper tough. So it's really like, it rips. Like it rips in half. Just like the chocolate one, I'm not happy with this a lot. Like, I'm not really happy, but I like it still. It's just, it could be better because... Dad!
Sorry.
I hate you. How dare you?
I'm old.
Like, it's really hard to poke. Like, super duper hard, which I don't really like. Because, ow, I just cut myself on the container! Another thing I don't like now.
You okay?
Yeah, oh my gosh, just a little cut.
Do you need a Band-Aid?
No, I'm good. But, like, the cherry and everything is so cute. But my initial thought, I don't like it. It's not stretchy like it was supposed to be. And using Amazon, I kind of expected it wouldn't be as good. But both of them are really nice. I mean, the Starbucks one, I don't know if I have to let them sit to make them get fluffier. So I'm gonna do the chocolate one again, just to maybe see if it's because I was sitting and maybe it would work or something. It got a little bit softer, but it actually got a little bit softer, which I like actually. It got softer. It's a little bit stretchier now, but if you still stretch it, it gets like less stretchier every single stretch you do. See, like, rips, kinda. I mean, I wasn't expecting the best fluffy slime from Amazon, but I mean, for Amazon, yeah, this is a 3-star because it came with the charm like it was supposed to. It came with the little dust and the little topping coffee. It is a fluffy slime still, just not as the good one. So I'm gonna do some ASMR with them, and hopefully you guys enjoy. like I said, as I'm trying to stretch it, it's not really working. Like, I'm kind of struggling here. Like, I'm still gonna keep the slime and all because I still really like it, but just it's not the best one. It could be better. It could be better. Now I'm moving on to the pink one, and hopefully it doesn't make a farting sound again because that was pretty fun. So it looks really cool, like when you kind of play with it in a container. Now moving on to this one. So I put the charm back on, let it sit for a bit, and hopefully it got a little bit smoother, softer. Oh, that was loud. So enjoy some ASMR of the slime. Still rips. And again, like the slime, like the other one, the chocolate one, as you can see, as I'm playing with it, it still gets really rubbery. It has rubbery consistency, which is I don't like because fluffy slime is supposed to be really like folly and kind of glidey, but this one doesn't really have anything that a fluffy slime would have. You can't really make a lot of bubbles. You can't like spread it a lot. Like you can, but just when you poke it, it kind of just comes back, sinks like a rubber would. So, slime base, I feel like I could do better if I made something, not trying to be rude at all. I mean, they still tried. Just, fluffy slime shouldn't be rubbery. It shouldn't, fluffy slime, it's like a mix of fluffy slime and putty. It's like, I feel like I'm playing with putty, but you know, it's fine because it's putty-ish. So hopefully if I let them sit for a couple days, they might get softer from the heat. I don't know if it's because we left them outside if it was cold or if it's just because the slime is rubbery, but my 2-star, 3-star, these were 4-star, but I don't think they're 4-star. They're just rubbery and they don't really work. So I'm kind of disappointed in this because I was really looking forward, but it's okay because I can just make slime, right? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and keep updated with our new videos. Make sure to like. Thanks everyone, bye. And if you want to follow us on TikTok, follow my dad at Techies in Tesla, same as his YouTube channel. Bye guys. And if you ever want to buy this, just remember that they're really rubbery. I wouldn't give them as a gift unless the person likes rubbery slime, your choice. But yeah, overall, 2-star, 3-star, not 4-star. But bye.